हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज ये बहुत दिन बाद जा रहे हैं अपना म्यूजिक क्लास और मम्मी जा रही है भैया के घर। सो आई एम गोना बी ऑल अलोन एट होम टुडे। सो
Have fun.
ओके, बाय
Bye.
So my Kesar doodh is ready. So today I'm planning to see my vlogs like I do always. So you might be thinking what I'm gonna do alone at home today. So trust me guys, I just love enjoying myself. I just love my company and I really do, and I just enjoy being alone. So let's enjoy being alone today with me. So now what I'm doing is, like always, I like to see my vlogs first of all. So I am searching here Rincy Dyes. So it may come automatically, I feel. After changing the name, I'm searching for the first time. So yes, I got. So I just want to see the marriage one. It's been so long, I didn't got time to see it again. So I'm watching it now. It's like the song is there, no? Memories bring back, memories bring back. I just love to see my old things, like this video, my marriage thing, all the lovely memories I have in my life. I just want to recollect all the things.
Well, this was the story of my marriage. As life went through.
As you all will agree, marriage memory is like very precious for everybody. It's the same for me also, and I love to see it again and again and again. So let me enjoy a little bit. This is how really we met first time, guys. Trust me, this is how really we met. And here is the real story. I just want to share my love for this केसर का दूध. Before boiling the milk, आप उसके अंदर like एक 15 minutes पहले सैफरन को भिगो के रखना है. जस्ट अगर आपके पास एक ½ लीटर ऑफ दूध है तो उसमें बस आपको 2-3 सैफरन डालना है, बस भिगो के रखना है. भिगो के मीन्स बस उसमें डुबो के रखना है लाइक और 15 मिनट्स. ओके, उसके बाद जब आप इसको बॉईल करोगे ये ऑटोमेटिकली इसका कलर छोड़ना शुरू कर देगा. And then you can add some sugar according to your taste, and it's ready to drink. I just love this, you know, and it's healthy also, I feel, and I love the taste of the kesar. It tastes like I am eating some vanilla ice cream. So do not forget to try this. This is yum actually. So I thought to just do some cleaning or dusting. Actually, I love to do cleaning when nobody is there at home, because nobody will be there to walk on your mopping area. So it's actually the nice way to clean your house, and I just love when nobody is there and I just do the cleaning right there. Some people might be thinking, I'm not scared to be alone at home. Here is all the securities Dice has arranged for us. So whenever I have to be alone, or mom also have to be alone, Dice has the monitor in his hand to observe this. So he will be observing always. He will get to know I am going out or somebody is coming inside. So this is the best way. I suggest you all, whenever you leave your wife, mom or sister, anybody at home, to do something like this. For the area like Bangalore, this is very needed for every house, I feel, and so please try to keep that in mind, and please do something for your loved ones. So I'm here done with my cleaning. So I'm here to read out all the comments. Let me know you guys that my vlog posting day was yesterday, as you all know, and we were somewhere out, and I tried to shoot something and it got flopped. We didn't got really nice time to shoot it. So have a look. So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we are out. We are going somewhere for some office work. So how are you guys? So coming back into today's vlog, I'm reading all the comments. So such a lovely comment I got in the last vlog. So Anil Burgess, he's from video. I used to see all your vlog since 1 month. I feel amazing in this time. Keep growing and be the you. Thank you very much, Anil Varghese ji, and thank you so much. As always, Satyapriya is telling so nice painting, sister. It shows that how much he loves you, really. And I always wondering about Dice Bros dancing, trading, teaching, singing, and now painting also added. You both are perfect combo, sister. Thank you so much, Satyapriya, for always sending our lovely comments. One more new comment I got. This is for Dice. His name is Karthik Kandelwal. So he's telling, hey, your husband is great man. He made a profit for me today. Praise him. He would unable to see my comment, so let him know that I am his big fan. And if you would make it possible to make him realize that I am his big fan, please. Thank you so much, Karthik. And I told him about this message. Thank you from his side also. And thank you very, very much for always supporting him. And please keep supporting us. And thank you so much. God bless you too. So in the last vlog, I just got the request to call her name Mehek, right? You guys maybe remember. So this comment is from her. Mehek here. Thanks Dee. Your vlog and videos are... I love your vlog and videos forever. Stay home. Thank you so much, Mehek. Here, Arun Anuji is telling that please make a video on electric car. Yes, I just discussed with Dias about this electric car review. So we'll do someday. And I just asked about the haircut, right? So still I didn't got permission from Dias. So many comments also from Anita, from Anu Nandini that please don't cut your hair. That's fine actually. So I'm not doing it now. Totally forgot about the lotus plant, that lotus seed which we have kept for grow, and I really just forgot. पता नहीं उसका क्या हुआ रहेगा. So you guys can see it totally changed the color. I think I need to just change the water, that's it. So let's change the water. So you guys can see, I'm so happy to see this. It started growing, so I'm keeping it back. One is remained. It may come. I'm just keeping with them. Guys, I'm so happy to see that this is growing, and I think I need to keep in more deeper vessel, so this stem will not spoil. So I just came to kitchen to make my lunch, and after so long I'm going to make all these vegetables because Dice never eats vegetables. So all the days I used to make this chicken, fish, or something, egg or something else with non-veg. So after so long I got the chance to make all the vegetables. So I thought I will prepare a very unique type of lunch for me because I'm all alone at home. So I have this Loki, I don't know what exactly it's called. I have this tomato, potato and this brinjal. So I'm gonna make all the varieties of vegetable today with my rice. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be yum. So let's start making. Dice always tells me that the vegetables, so do grind this and make some curry with it and give to him. And I don't know to make like that, grind the vegetable and make some curry. Please, if you guys know, please let me know in the comments below the recipe so I can make it for him. So he just tells that grind this, imagine. So this is the mixture of potato and gobi. One side I'm making this baigan ka bharta. So I just kept 4 rows to this. Actually the baigan ka bharta I'm making it for the first time. I just saw lots of recipe in YouTube. So I was planning to make, so I thought to make it today. So I'm making it. I don't know how it will taste. So मुझे ना इसका जलने का कुछ smell आ रहा है और मतलब I'm not so feeling that great with the smell. तो देखते हैं, फिर भी मैंने रख तो दिया है चूल्हे पे उसको जलाने के लिए. देखते हैं ये कैसा बनता है. Actually I love baigan, so I thought to make something different with it. I always make the fry and eat. I am peeling off this now. I don't know to do exactly how the professionals do. Then also I'm trying because I'm making for myself. Nobody gonna eat, nobody gonna taste. Okay, like this. So I'm planning to make the bharta with ghee. Quickly I will show you guys what and all need to add. So I have taken tomato sliced and this onion sliced one and some little amount of ginger and garlic paste. This is the cumin seeds. This much only is enough. Now in this ghee I'm gonna add the cumin seeds. In it I'm adding this onions Let's saute for 2-3 minutes. So now I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. So I'm adding this, then I'm adding this garam masala. At the end I'm adding this, my all-rounder biryani masala. Instead of garam masala, I'm using this. You guys can add garam masala. And I love spicy, so I'm adding some this ghar ka bana hua lal mirch powder. Let's saute this. Now I'm adding in it the tomatoes. Now we need to cook the tomato really well. So here is my yummy delicious lunch. So this is tomato chutney I made, and this is aloo what it called aloo लौकी का सब्जी, and this is the बैगन का भरता. Let me taste. So मैं पहले ये टोमेटो का चटनी का साथ टेस्ट कर रही हूँ. I can't even talk. So now I'm tasting it. Yum. Now the time to try this bharta, guys. Yum. Please, if you saw my recipe, please go and try this soon. This is yum. Please, अगर आपको मेरा ये रेसिपी कुछ समझ आया है तो प्लीज़ जल्दी से जल्दी जाके ट्राई कीजिए. ये बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी है. ओके, मिलते हैं खाने के बाद. So I'm done with my lunch and it's almost 3 o'clock now. So I'm going to edit this vlog now, or else you guys will not get to see it. And yes, I'm ending here today. Hope you guys enjoyed being alone. So thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to hit the thumb button and comment to my channel. And if you are a new viewer to this video, please do subscribe my channel so you will get the notification for upcoming vlogs. So see you soon in my new vlog, guys. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.